Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to see more fun videos like this, where, in this one, I'm going to challenge you to try and beat my score in the Lichess Coordinates Trainer. This is, I'll put a link in the description. It's basically a tool to improve your board vision or your ability to find squares quickly, which helps immensely with chess study because if you're reading books or watching videos and you're told a move or a variation, it helps a lot if you can find the squares quickly, so you're able to play through the variation without looking for the squares. So a few years ago, I maybe did half an hour of this a day for a few days, just because I knew that it would help a lot in future. And stick around to the end. Afterwards, I'll share a tip on how to do this quickly or how to get faster at this. So anyway, let's have a go. D6, A5, D6 again, E6, D8, F4, F8, E1, H6, B1, B5, F4, D7, B5, G5, E2, B1, E2, F5, G8, E8, G4, D7, D4, G4, F8, A3, D2, C4, H2, A4, A8, F7, F3, E1, C6, F1, H4, F8, E4, C2, F8, B3, F4, H8, H7, A1, F3, B1. 48. That might actually be my record. Wow. I did do a little bit of warm up before, so maybe that helped, but it would be good if we could see our record. Wow, that was intense. I think I forgot to breathe. Um, okay, so let me know in the comments if you can beat that or even upload it. If you have a channel, upload the video of you beating it. I think there might already be a challenge online. I think the record, the world record, is like 96, I think. But the tip I have to get faster is I'll set it to infinite so I can explain it. But basically, when you get fast or when you're proficient, when you know where the squares are, as you can see, the second square is also shown, or the subsequent square. So when I see this D7, I tell my brain tells my hand to move to D7, but my eyes are already looking at G1, at the next square, which is G1. So as I click on D7, I already know that the next square is G1. G7, E5, H8. Maybe that's why speaking it out loud also helps me. But yeah, let me know how you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.